You have adapted to the new environment, the new normal, and so have we. Using Zoom, our program will continue to be interactive and engaging, involving role plays, exercises, and small group breakout sessions. As a participant in one of Stitt Handy Group's virtual instructor-led workshops, you will be part of a diverse and interactive experience. You will engage with faculty and other participants. Your experience will be guided by live lectures, role plays in breakout rooms, and Q&A sessions, just like an in-person workshop. Participants will be able to ask questions, get feedback from coaches, and receive that personal attention that regular online courses just don't offer. The Zoom chat feature will allow you to share ideas, notify the instructor of any pending issues, and connect with your colleagues. We have support staff to ensure that you are successful in the program and to help with any technical issues. We also have a short prep session if you're not sure how all the technology works. We will enrich your experience by sharing documents and using collaboration tools to help you create and share ideas. Before, during, and after the workshop, you will have access to our learning portal, where you will find numerous resources to support your learning beyond the workshop. And once you complete the course, simply click a button to post your achievement and share it with your professional network on LinkedIn. Another bonus of virtual training is that you will make professional and personal connections with people from different industries and from around the world. It is time to take your career and future into your own hands. It has never been easier.